Hello students, welcome to BZD's Physics channel. Today, let me discuss with you a small topic, electric dipole. Students, you know one dipole with which you played a lot, you enjoyed a lot. What is that dipole, students? Magnet. Magnet is also a dipole. We can call this as magnetic dipole. This is south pole, say, this is the north pole, this is the distance of separation 2a. But we never call it as magnetic dipole, we simply call it as magnet. Because magnetic poles always exist in pairs. You cannot have monopoles. In magnetism, while discussing Gauss law in magnetism, we are going to discuss the same concept. On the same lines of magnet or magnetic dipole, in electrostatics, we can have electric dipole. Dipole means two poles. Here these poles are not the magnetic poles. Here we can have two equal charges, which are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. Two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. This is your electric dipole, students. Here you may get one doubt. Why, sir? Why you are considering the distance of separation as 2a? Why not a? You can consider any distance, students. But while measuring the distances of any point for finding potential, for finding electric field, we normally consider the distances from the center. By considering this distance of separation as 2a, the expressions, the mathematical expressions will be simple. So for our convenience, we are considering like this. So you need not worry about it. Okay, students? So let me once again tell you what is electric dipole. It is an arrangement of two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. Here we can discuss one more physical quantity which is related to this electric dipole, that is electric dipole moment, which is indicated with the letter P bar, students. You got in first year P. What is that? Linear momentum. Don't get the confusion. This is a dipole moment, which is a vector which has both magnitude and direction. The magnitude is Q into 2a. What is Q here? Q is the magnitude of either of the charges and 2a is the distance of separation. This is the magnitude. And what is the direction of this dipole moment? This is from minus Q to plus Q along the axis. This is important, students. Dipole moment direction is from negative charge to positive charge along the axis. And what is the SI unit of this electric dipole moment? For charge, coulomb, for distance, meter. So coulomb meter is the SI unit, students. So let me explain you again. What is electric dipole moment? It is a physical quantity which can be defined for all dipoles. How it is defined? It is a vector whose magnitude is given by the product of magnitude of either of the charges and distance of separation between them. Its direction is from minus Q to plus Q along the axis. SI unit is coulomb meter. Students, these dipoles are very important, and while explaining the interesting phenomenon, you know that after combing through dry hair, that comb attracts bits of paper. That can be explained by considering the dipoles that are induced in bits of paper. Okay, students, we will discuss in the next capsule.